Sorry, I haven't posted videos for days 4, 5, and 6 because I'm trying to combine them and do one whole video. We are switching my craft room into the bigger room of the house and moving the bedroom into this room. I just need more space and functionality since my business is growing. I get to replan and redesign and relayout so I can have all my screen printing stuff and everything in one place. So let's go through all of that. You're making so much noise. Aww. Great.